Hello everyone, welcome to this course where we're going to learn the SAS language. So really quick, let me introduce myself. My name is Dario Mogollon. I'm an industrial engineer. I have 7 years of experience working in analytics and BI business intelligence areas. I had the chance to work in different industries and doing different types of data analysis. I have also some knowledge on other programming tools like Python, VBA. Some of my hobbies, I like to program, play soccer, do some painting, traveling and learning. Regarding my SAS knowledge, I have the chance to do some SAS certifications. I have been programming in this wonderful language for 7 years now. Now regarding the course, so we've decided to break down this course into 3 main parts. So this is going to be the first part for beginners, then for intermediate and advanced. So the idea is to start from scratch, and then we're gonna start introducing advanced topics. So we're gonna take you from 0 to hero. So don't worry if you don't have any experience with this tool so far. Okay, let me show you really quick how you will interact with this course once you're logged into the platform. So here you will find the course broken down in different sections, and in each section you will find different short videos. So you will see all these. So the idea is that we will be updating these as if we receive any feedback from you. So yeah, so let me just show you really quick one video. So here is how
look in the folder
the
for
videos will
this
look like.
new section.
Let me just remove the audio. So here, so basically, yeah, this is the tool we're gonna be using through the course. And here you will find the panel, and you can just select the video that you wanna play. And you can access this course from any device you have, tablet or phone. All right. So let me show you really quick the content that we're gonna cover in this course. So let's take a look at the content. So the first part is gonna be for beginners, but I actually recommend everyone to follow along with all these sections, because we may be talking, introducing topics that you may not know so far. So the first section is called Welcome to the World of SAS. So here I wanted to familiarize you with the main concepts in the SAS language. So normally when you're getting started in a language, you need to program and you need to think in a certain way. So SAS is no exception. So here we're gonna learn like the very basic concepts about how SAS variables work, SAS formats, SAS dates, how to filter data, order data, and all of these. And then we're gonna learn how to do data manipulation. So SAS is a language that we can do data manipulation really easy, and this is because it has a data step. It's a specific step that can help us to create variables, create variables conditionally. So we're gonna learn how to add attributes and all of these things, and we'll also learn how to summarize data. So SAS has different procedures that can help us to summarize data. It can be categorical data or numeric data. So we will learn how to use the proc frequency, proc means, and proc univariate to do this task. But we will also, so moving on to the second part of this course, we will learn how to import data into SAS. So regardless of the format that your data has, so SAS can import data of different types like Excel, CSV, TXT, and also SAS has the flexibility of reading different types of data that is organized in different formats, like in columns or separated with a delimiter. So we will learn how to do that here in this section. Now the next section will be data manipulation. So here we will learn more techniques to manipulate our data. So SAS can control the output of a table. So we can do that using the output statement. We can create multiple data sets. We can process data in groups using the first and last options. Then we're gonna learn SAS functions. So as any other programming language, SAS has a wide variety of functions that will help us in our daily tasks. So here we will learn how to manipulate text, how to manipulate numeric data, and how to manipulate dates. Then we're gonna move on with combining and merging data. So this is a task that we will have to do at some moment when we're working with data, since the data is stored in different tables. So we will learn how to combine data vertically using the set statement. This is also called concatenate. And we will also learn how to combine data horizontally using the merge statement, regardless of the types of relationships of the data. And then in the third part, which is going to be more for advanced then we will learn how to do data manipulation, but we're gonna learn how to process data iteratively using loops and arrays. So this is a very interesting thing because it will help us reduce the code that we will have to do iteratively calculations. So we will learn how to do arrays to create new variables, to use the arrays as a lookup table, and we will also learn how to transpose our data using the proc transpose. And then we're gonna move on with how to work with pivot tables in SAS. So for those of you who are familiar with Excel, and so SAS has also that capability of summarizing the data in that format. So here we will learn to use the proc tabulate procedure, and we will learn how to add totals, subtotals, how to add different statistics to the table, percentages, and how to customize the aesthetics of the table. And finally, we're gonna close this course looking at reports in SAS. So SAS has some procedures like the proc report procedure that will help us to create detailed and summary reports. And then, yeah, we will learn how to do all of this in this course. So I hope with this content you're very thrilled to enroll in this course. Now let's take a look at the tools we're gonna use. So we recommend to use these free tools that you can download for free. So one of them is SAS Studio from SAS Institute. The other one is WPS Analytics, and this is the tool that we're gonna be using to walk you through the exercises. Alright guys, so I'm more than happy to be your instructor, so let's just get started. The link to this course is below in the description of this video. Thank you.